Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, everyone. This is Teacher Amani, and now it's time for a bedtime story. Before we begin, I'd like to make sure that you guys already used the bathroom, washed your hands, brushed your teeth, and are now sitting in bed ready for the story. And if you're not already subscribed, please click the red subscribe button. And if you like the story, please click the like button as well. All right, let's not waste any time and begin the story. Bismillah. Tonight's book is called Early Bird. Now let's begin, and when we begin something, we say Bismillah. Bismillah. Early Bird. Early Bird likes to wake up early. She stands as tall as she can, takes a deep breath of fresh morning air, and then Early Bird gets going. Across the grass, through the flower bed, under the spider web, up the path, around the corner, and over the cat. Finally, Early Bird reaches the garden, where she finds the early worm. Early Bird is hungry after her long journey. So she lays the early worm on a big, fat, juicy strawberry. And together they share an early breakfast. The end. Don't forget to click the like button. Now that the story is over, it is time for us to say the dua that we say before we go to sleep. So repeat after me. Bismika Allahumma amutu wa ahya. Great job, mashallah. Now, let's copy our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the way he used to sleep. Let's lie down on our right side. Let's put our right hand under our right cheek. Now, close your eyes and drift to sleep.